Kidz Vidz! I hope you're all doing well. So, two users named Srija and Shobalin requested me to make the updated version of AirPods. So in this video, I decided to make AirPods Max. So, the materials you'll need are hot glue gun, a cardboard, hairband, black construction paper, gray tape, 2 pieces of soft foam, a pencil, a ruler, a glue, and scissors. So let's get started. So step 1 is to cut a cardboard piece 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So you're gonna cut it out. Now, let's round off the edges. Now, we will use the same template to cut 3 more cardboard pieces just like this. So, I've already cut my 4 cardboard pieces, and we're going to use the template to trace it on the black paper and the sponge 2 times. So I'm going to get right into it. Now let me do the same thing on the sponge. Now let me cut them out. I've already cut 4 cardboard pieces, 2 black construction papers, and 2 white foams. So, and as you noticed, I've also already cut 2 cylindrical circles in each foam, and I'm also going to be using a cutter, which I forgot to tell you from the start, and I'm going to cut these circles out and make sure to stroke it gently, steadily, and lightly. Now, we're going to try to pop this cylinder out. Now, this is how it looks like. Let me do the other foam. So the next step is to take the hot glue gun, and we're going to take these cardboards and we're going to glue it on one side of the hairband, and we're going to take another cardboard and glue it on the other side of the hairband. So let's get right into it. Now let's do the inner part. Let's tighten it now. Let's do it on the other side as well. So this is how my headphone looks like so far. So the next step is to take the gray tape and we're going to roll it around both the sides of the cardboard and we're going to stick it. Let me do it on both the sides. The next step is to take the black papers and we're going to stick them on the outer part of the headphones like this. And we're going to take the foams and we're going to stick it in the inner part of the headphones. So I'm going to get right into it. Now let me stick the foam. Wow, my headphones started looking super great. So the next step is to draw on the black paper is to draw two rectangles, 3 inches by 5 inches, and we're gonna cut them out. Now I'm going to round the edges with both of them. Let's do it for the other rectangle as well. So the next step is to take these two pieces to stick on the top and bottom of the hairband. Now let me stick the bottom part. Step is to fold these edges up gently. Now let's cover the edges with the tape. As a final step, you can also add a digital crown and a noise cancelling button. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, put it in the comments down below. Bye! Stay tuned in my next video!